Are you looking for an easier way to add your redeems and pop-ups and videos and music and images to your OBS or Meld stream? Well, I'm going to show you Triggerfyre, and we're going to set up a really easy and quick check-in like this one.
Present.
The first thing you want to do is you want to log into your Twitch dashboard, and you can see my one here. And on the left-hand side, I want you to scroll down your options. And what we're going down and we're looking for is viewer rewards. And in here, there is an option for power-ups and channel points. This will bring us up into another page and go to manage power-ups and channel points. And if we scroll down, we should come up with our rewards. So these are custom rewards that I've already set up, but I'm going down to the bottom and clicking add a new reward. And here we're going to type whatever we want the name of it to be. So in this scenario, we're calling it check-in. And we're only going to make it 1 point to actually use because we want anybody to really use it, anybody who's checked on the stream. You can customize the options, you can change the thumbnail, you can customize the color of it, but we're going blue with this one. And I'm going to want to go down to cooldowns and limits and do 1 person per stream. That way it can't get spammed or anything because we only ever want it to happen once per stream. Then I'm going to click OK, and we're going to go over then to Triggerfyre. In Triggerfyre, in the top right hand corner, you're going to want to go up and go log in with Twitch. And this is going to let you log into your actual user account. Now, I've already done it, so it's just going to click through, but you might have to go through some security options. Up here at the top, you can see that you can upload images, you can do audio files, you can do sounds, but we're going to do a video at the moment just so it pops up on screen whenever we activate it. Now, if you go down to the bottom right-hand corner, there's a plus sign, and this is going to allow us to add a new trigger, new video trigger. Now, it's very important that we remember what the name of it was in our Twitch dashboard, and it's going to be the exact name that we put under this option here, so it knows to link it with our Twitch. Then all the other settings have kind of already been set. We're just going to want to select video now. I'm just going to delete this because I've already uploaded it before. But I'm going to want to go up to the top and click upload and then select my file. I'm just going to move the screen here just so it's all in frame. And I'm going to click on the video file then that I want to upload onto Triggerfyre. So once that's selected and once that's clicked, we are going to want to click on the blue tick on the top right hand corner of it that selects that video for that trigger, and this is the majority of it actually set up now at the moment. All we need to do now is go over and take the video, take the actual link to the overlay, and then we're going to go over to OBS. The good thing about this is this link will actually cover all your videos in one overlay, so you don't have to set things up individually in OBS. Once you have it set up once, that's it ready to go. So bottom right hand corner, there's a pink icon with a chain, and you click on that and then go copy link, and you're ready to go to OBS. So this is the final stretch now. We're in OBS. All we want to do is go down to the bottom right hand corner, click on a new source, and we're going to click on a browser source. We're going to call it whatever we want. In this case, I'm just going to call it Redeems. Once I hit OK, it'll bring me up an option. I've kind of covered the screen a bit, but at the very top it looks for that URL that you've just copied from Triggerfyre. Paste that in there. You want to make it 1920 by 1080, so it covers the whole of your screen. And then there's a tick box just below that says control audio with OBS. This will give it an audio line as well, meaning that we can use sounds from our videos. If we go down to where we have the sounds, so in my case it's called Redeems, there's a small icon now with the latest update of OBS. You just click on it, the headphones, it turns green, and that means you can hear it as well rather than having to go on and do advanced audio settings. And now that should be that actually set up. You can resize it, you can move it about your screen. But once we trigger that now, it should come up and pop up on screen. So what I'm doing is I'm logging into my chat on another page and I'm clicking on it.
Present.
And that's it working now. And that's that set up. It's really easy to set up, and it means as well whenever you set up multiple redeems, it's the only the one overlay that you have to use, so it's not heavy on resources, and you can add and change things as you will without having to change much in OBS then afterwards. But if you like this video, give it a wee like, give it a subscribe. If you have any comments or any questions, fire them down in the comments down below. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, thank you, folks.